Easy way to get rid of hiccups immediately.
Hiccups?
Hiccups have two causes. Reason number 1. It is due to dryness of stomach. Reason number 2. Eating hot or cold food upsets your stomach. Sometimes this problem proves to be very troublesome for the patient. Now listen to the recipe to get rid of this problem. Take 3 large cardamoms and coat it with peel. Then boil it well in 2 glasses of water. When 1 glass of water is left, take it off the stove and let it cool down. And drink that water. After just 2 or 3 minutes your hiccups will be gone. If you want to see more videos like this, then follow our account. Thanks.